your
This
name
conference will now be recorded.
and currently what you are doing, and what is the purpose of learning this SAP PP, so that it will be good for me to proceed further. Okay, so before that I am telling my details. Yeah, my name is Trupti. Yeah, sorry.
Hello?
Hello. Yeah, are you able to hear me, right?
Yes. Yeah. Sometimes
Okay.
the connection is not, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So if anything, let me know. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm giving my introduction and my experience. Then I'm requesting you also, please give your name and your profile and your introduction. Okay, before starting the demo. So my name is Trupti Das, and I have around 12 years of experience in SAP PP, QM, PM, and WM module. I have worked with various
Yes.
global Fortune 500 companies. Okay. Yeah. So for their all
Okay.
types of projects,
Yeah.
like it's a global, yeah, like it's a global implementation, rollout, support, maintenance, all types of projects I have worked. Okay. And also I have
Okay.
worked for various types of products, like it's life science, pharmaceuticals, okay, and FMCG product, and discrete industry, iron and steel industry, and automobile industry, all type of industry type for the module of production planning, quality management, then WM warehouse management. I have worked for all type of projects. Okay. And related to the
Okay.
training, I'm giving the training since from 6 years. Candidates are there from mine, from all the globe, we can say, from UK, US, and Cambodia, Africa, from everywhere. The candidates are there. I am giving the training for PP, QM, PM, and also WM module. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Uh,
So I
you can
saw
call,
here,
I'm
yeah,
Noel.
two people.
Mm.
Yeah, I saw here two people are joined. So yeah, please tell your introduction and details.
Okay.
Yeah.
So go with me, I will talk faster. Yeah. I'm Noble, who work now. Currently, I'm working as a functional consultant in the beer industry, and
Okay,
I
beer
just have
industry.
I just have the only 1.5 years in SAP. In the previous work, I'm working as a AX Microsoft Dynamic AX consultant, also in the functional consultant.
Okay.
Manufacturing, like in the session is like FMCG.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I'm working as like a functional consultant, but there are so many limitations that I work. Like I just consult with the users and technical teams. What from
Okay.
the users side, what they want and how they want to do. So I just
Okay.
communicate with the technical teams. Some are so limitations. Like even user give the rights or I have no access.
Okay.
That's my
Okay.
current
Got like
situation.
okay, like you are working like a BPO, business process owner. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Great. So you want to enhance your skill in SAP PP. That's why you want for this training. Correct?
Yeah, I want to know more and I want to, how can I say, develop my career level.
Okay. Okay. Great. Great. Okay. Another person who is there. May I know who the details, please?
I'm new. I'm not new person dipali.
Actually, your voice is not audible properly.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
No, your voice is have a echo.
Yeah, some hissing
Maybe
sound is coming.
I can. I try using my mobile phone moment.
Can you please relog in again so that I think it will be clear? Just try. Okay.
I think he will come back.
Yeah. So he is your colleague or your friend?
Yeah.
Okay. So he's also working in the same industry or different?
We are different, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. I just have the, as I saying that, I just have the 1 month or 2 month trainings from our Thai buff can be
Sorry. Can you please repeat again?
BHN, you know BHN.
My time.
No, I mean BHN, you know BHN or Chen beer.
PI seats you are telling?
Yeah. My company is BHN. I think you know. That is popular in Thailand, you know, right?
Your company name is what is? Tell me again.
Yeah. BHN.
PI Ken.
Some people are calling, yeah, BHN. Some people are calling like Chen beer.
Okay. Can you message here that name so that I might have heard?
Yeah, already.
Yeah, already messaged. Okay, well, just a second. Beer Chang. Okay, got it. So your industry type is a process industry. Okay, I will let you know what type of industry. Yeah, I think
Yeah.
Myo Min joined. Yeah, hi Myo.
Hello, can you hear
Yeah,
me?
now able to hear you. Great. Yeah,
Yes.
please give your introduction. Yeah.
Yes, I am new. I'm working under the SAP partner company. We are also giving the SAP consulting service and another ERP service as well. So now
Okay.
I am together with Diwali. We are looking the new opportunity. So the purpose of communication, I'm attached with her.
Okay. So currently, are you working as a functional consultant?
No. I'm working as a general manager.
Okay. So you are not aware of anything in SAP. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. So you want to learn also SAP. Am I correct?
Correct.
Okay. Great. No problem. And you both are from Myanmar,
Yes,
right?
we are from
Yes.
Myanmar. Correct.
Okay. Nice to have a good introduction, both of us. Okay. Yeah. So I will go to our SAP PP demo. Okay. So here in this demo, actually, we are letting you know that why SAP PP is required, why we are using, and how it is helping the business. Okay. And then the next part, if you will enroll for this training, what are the contents you will get? Okay. And what else we will provide you, all those details we will let you know. Okay, the curriculum, the details, everything. Okay, and after that, if you would have any doubt, please note it down, then you can ask me, I can clear your doubts. Okay, it's clear.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so are you able to, you can able to see my screen, right? So in the course content, we will cover out all these topics. Okay, first one is SAP PP overview. In this overview, we will let you know why SAP PP required, what are the interlinks of SAP PP module production planning. PP stands for production planning, because here in this module, we are any of the manufacturing industry, we are doing two things. We are doing the production to produce one thing, or before producing one thing we are planning that one. Okay, without doing any planning, if you are producing, then that could be a loss for your organization. Okay, there could not be any proper data. Okay, that's why always it's required for a plan. How much quantity I need to produce, for that I have to do a plan. Okay, what raw material I have existing in my company, and how much I need to procure, and how much I need to produce. That is nothing but the planning. Okay, so we will let you know this PP overview. Then the master data. What is this master data? Is for the name, it shows master is the master. Okay, why we are telling in the master data? Because if you will not maintain these fields, or you will not maintain these informations, then you will not able to perform any of the activity in SAP. Okay, so this master data terminology is common for all the modules. Okay, whether you learn PP, whether you learn material management, whether you learn quality management, for everything this master data have to maintain, or else you can't do any of the activity. Got it? Now,
Yeah.
so as I told you that key, we are having different planning structure. Okay, so this is sales and operation planning is one of our planning activity, that also we will learn. The next one we will learn, that is your demand management. So what is this demand management? Here we will learn that in this demand management, what is our demand and what quantity we need to produce. Okay, that is nothing but the demand management. Then after getting the demand from various sources, okay, whether it's a sales order or whether it's a PIR, okay, we will, these are the terminology you will get to know. Okay, so after that we will execute the material requirement planning, which is very much important in production planning topic. Okay, that is nothing but the material requirement planning. What is this material requirement planning? Though we will go in depth, but I'm telling you here what does that mean. Okay, so material requirement planning is nothing but how much quantity material I have with me, raw material. Obviously for producing any of the finished product, okay, we require the raw material, right? So this material requirement planning is such a tool. It will tell you that if you will provide all the informations, okay, then it will tell you how much quantity you need to procure, how much quantity you can produce inside in-house production. Okay, everything, the details it will tell you. This is the tool we are using in production planning module SAP PP, that is nothing but your MRP, and this is most important thing. Every organization you will get this one. Okay, next one is your production execution. Till this part your planning will be there: demand management, sales and operation planning, material requirement planning, all these are planning topics. After planning, what we will do? We will produce, correct? Yeah, so now next one is your production execution. So to produce a respective material we have some steps. Okay, so what are the execution steps there? Where we will, in this topic we will cover it out. Then the next one we have so before going to these three topics, repetitive manufacturing, PPPI, I will let you know the why production planning or SAP PP module is using in a greater extent in whole the globe. Okay, see, the, as you are also aware that SAP is an ERP system. Okay, ERP means enterprise resource planning. So why SAP we are using? Like SAP as an ERP, we have other ERP also. Like we have Microsoft Dynamics, we have Oracle, JD Edwards. Okay, some other local ERP systems also using. But among of them, SAP is the ERP system which is worldwide using in a greater extent. If you will take in an account, 80% of manufacturing organizations are using SAP as an ERP system, because we have the accountability, we have the flexibility here in SAP system, so that we can able to get the costing from each and every part of the organization. It, if you will take it as a procuring, it is a producing, or it is a for quality testing, or if it is a sales, finance, everywhere we have the feature from end to end visibility, flexibility to get the cost of the every manufacturing organization, which other ERP system does not have that much of flexibility. They have also their certain flexibility, but not as per SAP. Okay, that's why all the Fortune 500 companies, all the Fortune 100 companies, everyone is using SAP as their ERP system package. Okay, yeah. So according to the type of manufacturing products, SAP also developed its software to provide the support to all type of business. Okay, see, as I told you, there are various types of business are there, right? It's a, first of all, I will take your business. Let's say you are in a production company that is manufacturing beer. Okay, so this is one type of industry. Okay, then another we have pharmaceutical, life sciences, then we have automobile, then we have iron and steel. Okay, various types of organizations are there. So SAP has developed its software on such a way so that its proposed solution will be fit for all type of organization. Okay, so to support on that way, SAP has divided the solution package into three different parts for production planning. So what are this? And SAP is suggesting that if you are going to implement according to your production type, then you can implement this solution or this package so that it will suitable for your organization to fit the every requirement into your SAP ERP system. Okay, so for that our SAP PP module has given three packages. That is your repetitive manufacturing, that is one package. Next one is your production planning process industries, that beer industry is one of the example of this process industry. Okay, then another one we have discrete industry. Okay, so what are those industry, what I told like discrete process industry, and then your repetitive manufacturing. So according to the product you are manufacturing, the SAP also developed this package for which will be suitable for each of the type of the production. Okay, we will learn a deep in for this, but I'm just giving a glimpse of it. The next one is your batch management. There's everyone knows that whenever a product will manufacture, we will find the batch number, and according to the batch number, we will able to trace that material when it got manufactured, when it got when it would be expired, right? And everything we will get this detail from the batch. So SAP has a feature that we can able to generate the batch number. Okay, for every transaction in the sense whenever we are doing goods received from the vendor, and whenever we are producing one material, every time we can able to create the batch in SAP system. Okay, the next one is the last topic, that is your configuration. Okay, so here till this point we learned according what the process are there and how we will fit inside the SAP. So to fit inside SAP, we have to do some configuration setting. If you want to be a consultant, this is very much important for you to know the configuration setting for each and every module. So whether you learn PP module, whether you learn MM module, or whether you learn QM module, everywhere you have to know the respective important configuration of the specific module. Okay, clear? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
it
if
is.
I'm going, yeah. So if anywhere if you are thinking that I'm going bit faster, please give a pause to me. Okay. Okay. Great.
Yes.
Okay.
So, yeah. So these are the course content, whatever we will cover up in our total end-to-end process. Okay. In our total schedule, we will cover these more topics, and these are the main topics of SAP PP module. Now we will go to one by one. So though this is a demo class, we can't cover up all. So I will give you each and every topic just for a knowledge purpose, that you will able to know, okay, we are going to learn this topic. In this topic, what else things we will able to know. Okay, that is the main purpose of this demo. So in SAP PP overview, we will tell you what is SAP, that I just told you, and why SAP is used. Okay, and the PP overview in production planning, what are the things we will go and learn, that we will let you know. Then why PP module to be implemented, why, what is the necessity, what is the requirement, and why after implementing this, what the benefit we will get, right? Every organization wants that whenever we are implementing any software, what benefits or what outcome we will get it. So we will get to know here. And then our PP module is integrated with other modules also. There is a link up. Like why the link up? Simple organization. Don't go to SAP. Okay, I am giving you a picture, means a good idea of a manufacturing organization. So what do we do in manufacturing organization? First of all, we, for any product we are going to manufacture, for that we need to procure the raw material. Correct? So
Yes.
after procuring raw material, yeah, so for the procuring raw material, we have to select some vendor in the market. Then among them we need to select the good vendor, because our finished product qualities depend upon the quality raw material what we are going to use. Correct? So for that there would be some
Yes.
cost would be incurred. Correct? Yeah. So once you will procure the raw material, then what we will do, as I told you, before doing or before manufacturing any product, you have to make a plan of it. How much quantity I need to produce, how much quantity raw material I need to procure. So what we'll do, after procuring the raw material, you will have a plan for it. Okay, and on what date, how much quantity I need to produce. Correct? Then after planning phase will be complete, the production process will start. So your shop floor manager will start his production, and you have to complete the production and have to get the finished product. So once you will get the finished product, you have to keep it in your warehouse. So how you will manage it in warehouse? So there is a link between each and every module. Here also you can connect it. So first of all, we procured the raw material. Correct? So after procuring the raw material, we have to use somewhere, right? So where we will use? We will use it for the production. So there is a linkage between SAP module or with the PP module. That is the fast integration point here. Next, there would be, while producing, we are doing the quality test, because without quality check, if we will produce and sell it to the market, our product, if there would be any damage or any what I can say defect would be there, customer will reject that material. Okay, and then it would be very difficult to sustain in the market. Correct? That's why every manufacturing organization ensures that while producing the material, we have to do the quality check, and also whenever we will complete the production, we will have to do a quality check. And some organizations are doing that before selling to any customer also, they are doing a quality check. So for that, in SAP we have a module called SAP QM, quality management. So yeah, that quality management also integrated with our SAP PP. Okay, yeah. Now next one. Now after producing the material, what we will do, we have to send it to warehouse. So to send it to warehouse, you have to track it, what batch you have generated or what batch manufactured, and then where it will go and store in the warehouse. There would be a linkage between SAP WM and PP module. Okay, now after that you will sell it to the market. So there is a linkage also from SAP SD module to the SAP PP module. And at the end, in the last, we have a close integration of your finance and controlling module. Why it is merged with? Because whatever material we are going to produce, for to calculating the cost, and to produce one material or one finished product, whatever the cost has been incurred, that could be labor cost, that could be material cost, that could be overhead cost, everything we will able to calculate from here. Okay, that's why there is a close integration between SAP PP and SAP FICO module, finance and controlling. Okay, hope you are clear on this point, right?
Yeah.
Hello? Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then the navigations in SAP, I will let you know that what are the various transaction codes, various I can say module pools are there, function modules are there, various tables are there. How we will able to know that, I will let you know in the navigation part. Okay. Now next topic. I
Okay.
told you in the first of topic also ki we need some master data. Okay. Yes, we need some master data to be set up in your system before doing any of the transaction. What transaction? Simple example I will give you. I want to create a process order for, or production order you can say, for 100 quantity. Okay, so production order, I will say, give an example here, not bad. Yeah, so as I told you, I want to create a production order for 100 quantity, 100 kg, let's say. Okay, 100 kg. So to produce this 100 kg, what else I require? I require a material, right? Without a material number, for what quantity,
Yeah.
which one I will produce, right? So I need a material. Then what else I require? I require a plant, right? For, because in a maybe you are aware of that plant controlling area and company code, right? Or else I will let you know that details also. Okay,
Yeah,
after
and
this.
all those storage locations or other things.
Yeah, client, company code, plant and storage location. This is the org structure. I will give you that
Mm.
a glimpse of
Yeah.
that one also. Okay, so to produce this 100 kg of material, I require plant and the order quantity, and we are also required the order type. Okay, we require the order type. Okay, so which there are various types of orders are there. Okay, these are the big thing. So in this material there should be some settings should be there, so that it will allow me to produce or to create a production order in the system, right? So for that, what I require, the material master should be there available. Okay, with the respective plant combination, then only I can able to go and create the production order. Okay, it is not like that whenever in the live system you are going to produce some 100 kg or 200 kg material, I will create the material at that time and we will start the production. That is not feasible. Okay, so that's why in your system you have to update all these material master data in your system prior to doing any activity. Then only you will able to perform the required activity. Okay, so this is one of the example of master data. So that these are the master data as in PP module. So first one is your organizational overview. Organizational overview is nothing but to get the idea of uh, how to define the client, company code, then controlling area, and then your uh, plant storage location. Okay, so this is nothing but the organizational overview. Then next one we have the material master. In material master, you are already aware, okay, that every material, what are the material type we are dealing in our organization, whether it is a raw material, whether it's a finished product, whether it's a semi-finished product or packaging product. Okay, everything we need to prepare the material master. We need to maintain the materials in our system. Okay, and in SAP we have different views. Okay, what does that views? Because let's say an example, I have a raw material or a yeah, let me give the best example, raw material. So this raw material, why we are using this raw material? For the procurement purpose, correct? Procurement.
Yes.
So we will procure this raw material, and what this then this to procure this raw material, what are the department will be involved? Which department will involve? Purchasing department will involve. Okay, they need to deal with this material. Then next one, quality department will also involve. Okay, they will also need to deal with this material. Then who will involve? Production people also
Okay.
will involve, because they will take this raw material to produce the finished product. Okay, now who will
Finished goods
involve?
and
Costing.
semi-finished goods.
No, first I'm giving one example, raw material. Okay, so then we will go to finished
Okay.
component. Yeah. So then who will involve? Finance controlling, because they will calculate the cost of this raw material, how much quantity you took, and what are the costing, everything. Okay. So for dealing this single payments raw material type, okay, raw material, these 5 departments are getting involved. Okay. So for that specific reason in SAP, it has provided all the views. Okay, we are calling it the views. That is nothing but for finish, let's say for procurement purpose. So for procurement purpose, we have the views that is called as the purchasing view. Okay, so every material you will able to find these views. Okay, when what we are maintaining in these views, let's say for purchasing view, we have to maintain the purchasing group. Okay, we have to maintain the purchasing details, everything we will maintain in the purchasing view. Okay, the same thing for quality, in we have the QM view. Okay, QM view, in QM view we will maintain the different views, like for quality purpose what inspection type we need to enable. Okay, so that according to that enable of the respective inspection type, at that moment the inspection lot will be generated. Okay, that is the QM view. For production we have different views, that is your MRP 1, 2, 3, 4 and work scheduling view. Okay, these are the 5 views we need to maintain for the production purpose. Okay, so like that we have also controlling view, then you have planning view, every views are there, and different department will maintain their respective datas in the different views. Clear? So that is nothing but your material master. Next one we will learn about BOM. Okay, this is not that BOM. Okay, this is your bill of material. The full form of BOM is bill of material. Okay, so this is an interesting topic. What is this BOM? I will give an example. Let's say I'm going to produce one bicycle. Okay, my finished product is my bicycle. So to produce this bicycle, what else I require? Can you please tell me? I want to produce one bicycle. So to produce bicycle manufacturing, what else required?
We need wheel, frame.
Yeah, correct. We need wheel. So how many wheels we require? 2 wheels, correct.
Yes.
Then we need one handle, correct.
Okay.
Handle one. Then we need a seat cover, a seat. Okay, that one seat I required. And we need a frame where these wheels will be in setup. So one frame. And we need 2 pedals, pedal 2. Okay. So these are the things I require to produce one bicycle. Okay. So now I will tell you that I am going to produce 20,000 bicycles. Okay. I have to produce 20,000 bicycle. So can you please tell me what are the quantities I require? Right. So it might take some time for you to calculate. Okay. For 20,000 bicycle, I have to calculate like this. 20,000 need to two, sorry, 40,000 wheels I require. Handle I require 20,000. Okay, like that you will calculate manually. Okay, you imagine some cases if you have, I have to produce 1 lakh bicycle. For that I need to do a planning. Okay, because I have to procure that raw materials on such a way, right? So I have a deadline that within 1 month I have to produce 1 lakh bicycle. So it's not feasible to calculate this manually or with calculator or with in the Excel sheet. So for that purpose, we have a feature in SAP that is called the bill of material. So what does that bill of material means? Bill of material is nothing but the a structural way of maintaining the components with its unit of measure. Okay, to produce a specific finished product. Okay, so here in this case, example, my bicycle is my finished product. Okay, my bicycle is my finished product. Okay, and these wheel, handle, seat, frame and pedal, these are all the components. And what these are the 2 1 1 1 2 are nothing but my quantity. And we have also the option called unit of measure, like it any of the product to manufacture, sometime you require the components which is having unit of measure each, someone having in liter, okay, like that you will get. So whenever for every material in your organization, whatever you are going to produce, for that you have to prepare a BOM. That is so that which what will be helpful for you whenever you will go to plan, and whenever you will go to produce, system will automatically calculate all this quantity. Whenever you will enter that to produce, let's say same thing, I am going to produce or I am going to create a production order for 20,000 bicycle, okay. Whenever you will enter this requirement quantity or the production order quantity, system will automatically let you know that in the component list what are the components are there, and what are the component quantity you require for your production of this 20,000 bicycle, okay. So here we are getting the benefit by using this SAP system or SAP PP module. It is providing, or it is taking less effort to the person or the production supervisor to have a proper planning or have a proper idea of the production, okay. This is nothing but the BOM. Now next one is work center. Why we are using work center? What is this? Work center is nothing but the, as per SAP language or SAP definition, it can be a machine, it can be a you can say person responsible, or you can a human being, okay. For anything we can name as a work center, or this is nothing but the place where the actual work will be taken care, okay. So best example you can take is your machine. So machine could be an work center. So why we this need this master data? Because whenever we are producing any material, it should go or it should pass through respective machines, right? So why we need those details? Because to calculate the capacity, you in your organization, let's say you have 100 workers are there, right? And you have a target of, to produce 20,000 can of beer in one day, okay. So how you will utilize them, okay. So in work, and you have 3 machines only with you. So in work center we have the provision to calculate that how many capacity scheduling, we are nothing calling as a capacity scheduling, capacity labeling, okay. So these are the various terminologies you will get to know. So by doing that terminology, or by doing that method, we will able to know how I can do the capacity labeling, and also the cost. Main thing, for every work center, what are the cost has been incurred, how many resources has been worked, everything you will able to calculate, okay. Because this work center is directly linked to the cost center, which is using for calculating the cost by finance and controlling module. That is nothing but the work center. Then next topic is your routing. These all are the master data and very important things, okay, in PP module. Then routing. What is routing? Okay, routing is nothing but the sequence of operation, okay. So same example I am giving your bicycle one only. So to produce the bicycle, what we will do first? So first of all we will create the frame, right?
Hello.
And inside the, yeah, hello.
Yeah. In the previous the connections, I didn't hear anything. You. Sorry.
Okay, so you heard about
Yeah.
work
You
center
can go ahead.
or not?
Yeah.
Okay, okay,
Work
routing you
center.
didn't,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yes.
okay. So now I'm telling you about the routing, okay. What is routing and why we are required routing, okay. Routing is nothing but the sequence of operation, okay. Means whenever you are going to produce some material finished product, there could be some sequence, right? Like simple example is your that bicycle, right? So producing this bicycle, first of all you have to make the frame, and inside the frame you will align the wheels. After that you will fit the seat, then after that you will fit the pedal. So there are some process sequence are there, right? According to that you will go and manufacture the product. So in routing we are maintaining those operations, okay. And in sequence, operations is nothing but the activities whatever we need to perform to produce the respective finished product, that we are maintaining in a sequence manner, so that it will be helpful for the production supervisor to check that whenever he is going to produce some specific material, he will able to know, okay, first step or first sequence I need to do X activity, second sequence I need to do Y activity, third sequence we need to do Z activity. Like that he can able to imagine, or he can able to prepare or plan. Okay, these are the master data. We will cover it out in our whole topic. Now the next one, demand management. I told you that what are the demands or where the demands are coming, that we are having. We will learn about different types of strategy planning we are having, like make to order, make to stock. Okay, simple example, I am giving you the difference between make to order and make to stock. Okay, what are these? Make to order. So according to the type of organization or the manufacturing process globally used, SAP has divided its what I can say features or the for solutions according to two ways. That is your make to order process. Another one is make to stock process. So what is make to order process? See, make to order process manufacturing or the solution we are using for those type of industry, those are typically dependent upon the customer requirement. Okay, so the best example I will give you, that Rolls-Royce car. Okay, so whenever the Rolls-Royce company, they don't manufacture the product or the cars and giving to the showroom. They most of the products they are manufacturing according to the customer demand. Means the whenever the customer will give the order, I need Rolls-Royce of this model, this feature, this should be there. According to that customer requirement, they will produce the car. Okay, and that is that type of industry or where they are using this type of respective process, that is called as the make to order. Means they will not produce inside the what according irrespective customer demand, they will not produce and they will not keep it in the warehouse stock. Okay, whenever a customer demand will come, then they will go and produce that respective finished product. Okay, that's why the terminology is make to order. Second one, make to stock. So what is this make to stock? This type of organization, they don't depend upon the customer requirement. How they will produce it? Now according to the past performance or the past demand and according to the future forecasting. Okay, they will produce the respective products, and what they will do, they will produce it and they will keep it in the warehouse. Whenever a customer demand will come or customer requirement will come, they will sell into the market. Those type of organization process is called the make to stock. Means you prepare the product and keep it in the warehouse. Whenever the customer requirement will come, you will sell it to the market. Clear? Hello?
Hello. Yes, yes. But please continue. It's okay.
Okay, so this we will learn about the demand management topic. Now next one, we have the material requirement planning. Already I told you, this is the tool by using which we will able to get to know how much quantity I need to produce, how much quantity I need to procure, and what are the stock I have already there for the respective material. Okay, that we will do with this tool, material requirement planning. Then the next one, till this topic all we learned, which is that is nothing but your planning. Here your production execution will start. So for the production execution, we have also various steps are there. Like you can see first one here, your order creation will be there. Then the capacity planning, like I told you how much work center I have and how many resources are I have. According to that, you will make a capacity planning. Then you will check the availability check, whether the respective raw material is available or not with me. Then you will create the order creation and then order proposal. Then you will do the order settlement. Okay, like what are the cost has been incurred, all this you will do the settlement. Okay, then execution confirmation, there are release various steps are there. So this is nothing but the overview of the production execution process. We will able to know each and every topic starting from the creation to settlement. Okay, settlement is nothing but the end point of the production order. Okay, then yeah, I was telling you this type of different type of industries, right? So yeah, so according to the type of manufacturing of the product, we have divided, or SAP has divided the industry type in SAP into three parts, that is process industry, discrete industry, and repetitive industry. So according to the industry type, the solutions are also different. So we will cover in our training all those topics. Like process industries, you have to know some different solutions. For discrete industry, there are different solutions. For repetitive industry, we have different solution. Okay, so process industry is nothing but the the definition of the process industry is that in the process industry, whatever the products you are manufacturing, after manufacturing, so whatever the components you used, those after manufacturing, if you want to disassemble those, you will not get into their original shape. The best example is your ice cream. Okay, simple example. To produce ice cream, what are the raw material we require? We require milk, we require cocoa powder. Okay, we require the different type of essence. Okay, third fourth one, we require some color. Okay, by including all, we are preparing the ice cream. After preparing ice cream, can we get milk, can we get cocoa powder, can we get the sugar, can we get?
Cannot.
Hello, we can't
Hello.
get, right? Yeah, yeah, we can't
No.
get, right? After, yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, so this is the definition of a process industry type. We are the definition of the process industry. Okay, so these are the example of the process industry. Medicine, so these are the organizations who are manufacturing this product. They are using the solution of process industry. So here it is coming the beverage industry. Okay, your beer industry is also belongs to your process industry. Okay, beer, liquor, okay, medicine, then chemical, okay, then this ice cream, okay, then food and beverages, okay, and your medicine, life sciences, everything all are belongs to your process industry type. So here we will learn all this topic: master data, resources, master recipe, production version, okay, production order execution, process management, PICT execution. And out of these three industry type, this process industry type solution is bit tough and complicated. Okay, because there are various process steps are there to learn it in the process industry. Okay, so we will cover it out in such topic. All this starting from the planning to execution, we will cover it out in the process industry topic. Next one, repetitive manufacturing. What is this industry type? How we will able to know whether it's a repetitive or discrete or your PPPI? Yeah, so the definition of repetitive industry is that the product or the materials, finished product, whatever you are manufacturing, that will not go through a complicated process. It's a simple process. Okay, it will not go through various types of operation. Okay, and what are the procedure you are using to produce the respective material? It will be for a longer duration of time, it would be the same process. Okay, so the best example is your cement industry, and the tissue paper industry is the best example of repetitive manufacturing. Okay, so here also the process in the SAP is different. Here we need to learn the master data, the planning stage is different here, and the material staging, some new topics are there here, backflows and the receipts. Okay, and the process execution is totally different from the PPPI. Every manufacturing process is having its own process in SAP. Okay, now next one is your batch management. As we discussed that in every product,
Hello, your voice is losing. We cannot hear you anymore. Hello.
Yes, I also cannot hear.
Hello, Ane. Hello.
next inspection. Yeah,
Sorry, your voice are losing the moment. Can you record it back again because we cannot hear.
okay, maybe some network issue is there. Okay, so if anytime you will face this, please let me know. Okay, yeah, so just I was telling that batch management topic. So in this batch management topic, we will cover out the basics of batch management, batch creation in production, okay, and manual and automatic batch creation, batch classification, and batch determination. Okay, like for producing the finished product, I have 5 raw material are there. So 5 raw material is having different batch. So which batch should I need to take while producing? So always we have the specific formula, like which batch will be expiry soon, that batch need to take the into production fast, because if you will not take that one, if that batch will expire, then you can't use it in for production. Okay, so that is nothing but the batch determination. Then at the last we will cover out the important configuration. So to be a functional consultant, you should have to know the very important configuration. Without this configuration setting, if you can't work, or you can't implement or roll out any of the project for the respective module. So for every module we have different nodes are there in this transaction code. We have to know that where, when, how we can do the respective configuration. Okay, so this we will cover it at the end of the topic. Then we will learn that PP module is here. So PP module is linked to all these type of modules. So you have MM module, you have project system, you have SD, sales and distribution, you have controlling, you have finance, you have HR, you have QM, quality management. PM is nothing but the plant maintenance. So your PP module is linked with all these modules, but most of the link is there for with you. You have to know that with MM and with SD and CO, controlling FI and QM and PM, and HR and PS are not used many of the organization. Very less organization are having this integration, but you will find out 90% organization is having this integration: FI, CO, SD, MM, PM and QM with PP module. So those also I will let you know that how it is linked and what are the processes are there. Clear?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello,
Yeah.
we can.
So yeah, so these are all the topics related things I told you. Now I will let you know what are the procedures and process of the training. Okay, so to whatever the things I told you, to cover it out, it might with practice. So what we will do every day, let's say we have started the planning part, material requirement planning topic. So in material requirement planning, I will let you know the details. Okay, after that we will execute in the system. Okay, and then the next class you will do the practice and you will ask me the question. Okay, if you have any doubt. Okay, and I will provide you the documents of, I have all the documents for all the topics, and I will provide you the all the documents. One, let's say we have completed material requirement planning. Yeah, sorry.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, are you able to hear me?
Hello. I think maybe she is typing in the chat box.
Hello.
Okay. Yeah, tell
Hello.
me.
Hello.
Hello ညီမကြီးအကိုတို့ကြားရတယ်ညီမမုံးမှန်အေးညီမကြီးအကိုတို့ကြားရတယ်အကိုတို့တန်ကြားရလားမသိ
Hello.
Hello
Yeah, I'm able to hear you. Able to hear.
Hello.
I think maybe her side is the
Yeah, bad. I justအခုကြားရအောင်ဟုတ်ညီမမကြားရ
ဟာလားအကိုတို့ကဒီဘက်ကကြားအခုရောကြားရလားအကိုတို့တော့ကြားရတယ်အခုကြားရပြီလားမသိ
You tell her to log out and log in again so that it can be clear.
အခုတော့ကြားရတယ်
အေးညီမလေးဟိုဟာဖြစ်လို့ရှိရင်တကယ်လို့ဟိုဟာဖြစ်လို့ရှိရင်သူကထွက်ပြီးတော့ပြောင်းဝင်လာရတယ်သိလားနော်
Yep.
Yeah,
sorry you can go ahead
Okay.
okay.
Yeah, so I was telling that every day whatever the topic we will discuss, that I will provide you the recording, because what every class will be recorded. Yeah. Yeah, you are able to hear us?
Hello.
အေးညီမလေးကြားရတယ်အကိုတို့ကြားရတယ်
Yeah, sometimes your sound. Oh, sometimes the connection.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah. It seems there
I
is
think maybe
today
Yeah, you
because
can
some
go
connection.
ahead. Sorry.
okay.
No problem. No problem. Maybe it's from my side or your side. No idea. There is some connectivity issue. Okay. No problem. It will not be always. So
Yeah.
not problem. Yeah, so I was telling that every day whatever the topic we will cover it out. I will send you the training, sorry, the recording. Okay, I will share it, and also the document related to the respective topic. Okay, so I will share you all the documents whatever related to the respective topic. Okay, and then after that I will give you some important things. Okay, like as a BPO you are using, you should have to know the respective functional process like function module. Okay, and what the tables you need to use. Okay, how to provide the quick solution to the users. So those tips and tricks also I will provide you at the end of the course completion. Okay, yeah, and if you would
Okay.
have any doubt in the next class we will discuss for the respective things. Okay.
Okay. So you're saying that you will have a training about all the topic that you present, and you will give me the training. How can I say training activities or training slide or training
Correct. Training
nothing.
documents.
Sorry.
Yeah. Documents. Hand
Yeah,
notes,
training
documents,
documents.
PPTs. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I will
Yeah.
provide
So
you the.
as you're saying that, yes,
Hmm.
you will present like the PowerPoint or something before you send to me the training documents or not.
Yeah, I will send you the training documents. I will send you the PPTs. Okay. I will send you the hand notes. Everything I will send you. Yeah.
Okay. So you are
Yeah.
explaining according the training documents. You are explaining to me the like weekend or weekdays, right?
Yes. Yes. So I have every topics. I have the
You will
slides.
have the
Okay.
discussions. Yeah.
Yeah. So which we are providing. I can show you also here. And
Mm.
yeah, PP training. Okay. So yeah, so we have all
Okay.
the documents here. Okay, so for each and every topic, let's say it's a demand management, we have that document, PP, master data we have, and everything. All the these documents I will share with you. And there are for every execution, the screenshots would be there. Okay, let's say process order execution, you would
Okay.
have the screenshots. Yeah, starting to ending. These are nothing but the hand notes. We are calling as the hand notes. Okay, that also we will share to you.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So once we will complete the topic, I will share you the respective documents to you so that you can go through it. And if you would
Okay.
any doubt, you can check. Yeah. And you will get the production server. Okay. So on that server, you can do the practice every time. Okay. Whatever we will execute, you can practice also there. And also after as for our center, we have this feature after completion of the training. Okay, also we are providing the support to the respective candidates, like we have the candidates in whole the globe. Okay, so after completion also we are supporting them for their respective, let's say they are working for some organization, some people are coming, they are new here, new to SAP. Okay, and they are going and joining
Yes.
somewhere, so we are providing the assistance to how to get into the interviews. Okay, how to qualify in the interview. And after that also, whenever you will work as any consultant or any BPO, any kind of role, so any issue you will find out, then also we are supporting them. Okay, so these are the feature
Okay.
also we are providing.
Even I want to try a new opportunity, you will be discussed with me, right?
Sorry.
Now I'm working in a one company. If I have wanted to upgrade to join the another organizations, you will give me the any idea about that, right?
Yes, we are providing that one. Like how to, what are the most important interview questions you will face, and if you will get that interview question, how you need to answer. Okay, like business specific questions, and like in whenever your experience will be more, there people will not ask you the direct question. They will ask you some business scenario based question. So those things also we are training them. Okay, so yeah. So for them, we are conducting some 2-3 classes for them. There we are giving the training, how you need to fetch that skill to get that training, get that interviews to be qualified. Okay.
Okay.
Any other doubt? Please feel free to ask.
Yeah. So and also the training hours, you mentioned that 13 hours, right, for that module.
So the training hours, total training hour, including practice, it might take 30 to 32 hours. Okay, because we will cover all each and every topic. Yeah. So PP module is a big module, and not like other coaching centers, we are not skipping something. Okay. So after getting the training from here, you will be able to manage all the production planning activities. Okay, you will feel like you are you are having some knowledge. Okay, other institutes, they will enroll you and they will skip some topics. Okay, we are not that. As I told you, I will cover each and every topic. Okay, so that you will get full knowledge after completion of this training. Okay.
So yeah, in if I have a weekend sessions, how many in one day? How many hours? Like 2 hours or 3 hours? If I can absorb, we can for the 13 hours. Can we finish 1 month or 2 months or any time limitations? If I can absorb.
Yeah, that time I want to tell you, actually more than 1.5 hour you will not able to absorb. Okay, it will go above your head. So as for the thing, 1.5, yeah, this is a reality. Okay, so 1.5 hour, yeah, 1.5 hour we will take. Okay, and some 10 to 15 minutes for the doubts we will discuss on that. Okay, if I will stretch up to yeah, I will stretch up to 3 hour 4 hour, but what would be the outcome? You will not able to understand anything, and that would be not fruitful. Correct, na? So yeah, and yeah, so if you are going, or if you are having a mindset that you want to learn something, then my advice is to learn properly. Okay, within 10 days if you will complete it, yeah, within 10 days if you will complete it, then you will not able to grasp that one. Okay, it will all will go above your head only. You will feel like that I got everything, but it will go above your head. Okay, so as per my suggestion, 1.5 hour we will fully consume, so it will complete, not like that. Okay, so and if you will do the practice, then you every topic you will have a good idea. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, 13 hours within 2 months, or how you make the plan?
Yeah, if you are doing weekend classes, then it will take stretch to 1.5 to 2 months. It will. Yeah. Are you able to hear me? Hello.
Yeah. Hear you.
Yeah. So I'm telling that if
Hello,
we are, yeah, if we are doing 1.5 hour in weekends, or 1.5 to 2 hours, then it will stretch to, with practice, it will stretch to 2 months. Within 2 months, you will be perfect. Okay.
Okay. So after the PP, I need to learn. I can choose what I want to learn, right? Normally, now currently, I didn't have any experience in QM.
We are giving the
And now
training
I'm
also for
working with
QM.
the MM module.
Okay.
Yeah.
As a PP consultant,
I'm
I will tell
working
you.
with the MM module, SD module, and yes.
Yeah, as a PP consultant, you should be aware, or you should know PP production planning and quality management. Quality management is totally integrated with process, means production planning. Okay, so you should have to know quality management, and then plant maintenance. Okay, that also you can able to learn. So I am giving the training for PP, QM, and PM, and MM, and WM. 5 modules I am giving the training. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other
Yes.
doubt?
And another one is the payment.
Sorry.
Payment. She's considering the payment. payment
Like
almost
fees,
two
yeah.
time, right? We will split the 2 times.
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't get you. What? Can you please chart here? What you are asking?
I think maybe
I'm saying that about that course fee.
Oh, course fees. Okay. Regarding course fees, Dipali will connect to you, and she will take care
yes,
of that
yes,
one.
we will get back to you
Yeah.
soon.
So if you are okay with that, whatever the details I explained, if you want to enroll, then Dipali will contact to you, and you can enroll on it. Okay.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Yeah. If you have any other doubt, please feel free to ask
Okay.
me. I can. Yeah. Anything you want to know related to SAP PP or related to our
From my
training,
side.
anything? No. Okay. And your side from Mio?
In the PBR, how to create a house that. Hello.
Sorry, how to? Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, I have one more. In the PP module, we have the how to create the process order and how link the with the like the batch management and other requirements, right?
Yeah, I will let you know all those things in the production execution
The
topic.
cost will be included, right?
Yeah, cost also incurred. So we will discuss all those
Okay.
topics. Yeah, we will discuss all those topics in the production execution slide there, right?
Yes.
Yeah, in a second. Here in this production execution topic, we will discuss all these things. This settlement, okay, production order creation, okay, how the costs are incurred. You can see here written cost, right? So I will let you know each and every point, okay, how the costs are linked, how the costs are in calculated, everything. Okay, clear?
Yeah, clear.
Yes, yeah, clear.
Okay, so if any after join, if you are joining, then I will also share you my WhatsApp number and my email ID. If anytime you will feel, or if you have any doubt, you can message me, you can mail me. I can reply you on that also. Okay, so that
Okay.
is the next part. Yeah. So if after any class, let's say if you are finding any doubt, you can WhatsApp me. You can have a you can send a mail also. I will reply on that for the solution or the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So now you think and please reply if you are interested. Then we will start the batch as soon as possible. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. We will
Okay.
confirm that.
Thanks for your demo session, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Thanks for
Thanks.
your demo sessions.
Okay. Okay. Great. Have a great day. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Meow min.